Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok app, and in today's video I will show you how to post video to your TikTok account with caption and hashtag. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to go ahead now and open my TikTok app. After you open up your TikTok app, go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. So here you go. For you to post your video on TikTok, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to videos. Then go ahead and select the video from your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to select this video. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on next right here. Then here you go. First thing first, we can go ahead and click on edit cover right here to change the cover. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit cover. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose any other cover from the preview right here. Or better still, you can click on upload a custom cover right here. So once you choose a new cover, go ahead and check on the preview. Then this is how it's going to appear on your account. Go ahead and click on here to go back. So if you are satisfied with the cover, then you can use it right here. So I'm going to use this particular cover right here, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and make sure I click on save right here. Now you have the cover right here on the video. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and add descriptions right here. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and enter the title of the video first. Then I have to make sure I exit from my TikTok right here. Then I'll go to my phone gallery, file manager. Then from my file manager right here, I'll make sure I go ahead and then click on videos right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on video. Then this is the video right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the title. So I'll click on hold down, click on more, rename. Then I'll make sure I click on hold down and copy the title. Then I go back to TikTok right here. Then enter the description right here. I will just enter the title. Now, once we enter the title, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and add hashtag. And for that, I'm going to go to the next paragraph. Then we want to make sure we exit from TikTok again. Then we have to make sure we go ahead and open up our browser. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Chrome browser right here. So having opened up Chrome browser, next thing you want to do here is to visit this particular website right here, TikTok hashtag.com. And when you get to the site, it's going to take you right here. Then go ahead and enter the keyword or title of your video right here. So I'm going to click on here now. I'll click on hold down. I'll paste the title right here, and I'll go ahead and simply click on search right here. The requested hashtag was not found on this server. That is all we know. So go ahead and change your hashtag. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a single keyword and hit search. It cannot be found. Then I'm going ahead and change my keyword right here, China importation, hit on search. So here we go. We have some hashtag for this. So what we want to do now is to go ahead and click on copyright here. Successfully copy. Next thing we want to do is to go back to TikTok right here. Then I'll come here, I'll paste the hashtag right here. Maximum hashtag is 5. Then if you find out that some of the hashtag here is not really cool, so you can remove them. So I'm going to change this to another hashtag. Then I'm going to add this also. Then I'm going to, the next thing you want to do is to check on your visibility right here. Go ahead and click on your visibility. So make sure you choose everyone so that you can go viral. So make sure you choose everyone right here. Then more options right here. Go ahead and click on more options. Then under the more option, you can decide to allow comments. So when you allow comment, must be turned on. Allow reuse of content. If you want people to reuse, you can allow, but as for me, I don't want to reuse. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off this. Just like so. Then select video language. So click on here and choose the language you spoke in the video. So I'm going to put it in English by default. Then content disclosure and add AI generator content. Add this label to tell viewers your content was generated or edited with AI. So if you're posting AI video, make sure you turn on this. Then auto check sound for copyright, make sure this is turned on. Then allow high quality video to upload, make sure this is turned on. Then save to device, if you like, you can turn this on also. This will allow you to have a duplicate of the video in your phone. Then next, save post with watermark. So this only affects video or photo posted by you. Just go ahead and make sure you turn on this. So if anybody download the video, they know that the video is coming from TikTok. Then from there, they can still, other people that have access to the video, they can also search for more about you on TikTok. Audience control. This video is limited to those age 18 years and older. So if your video has to do with age limitation, you can go ahead and turn on this particular button right here. It's that simple. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this particular dot circle right here. So I accept the music usage confirmation. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead. Lastly, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on post. The music usage confirmation will be accepted if you choose to post this video. Go ahead and click on post video right here. And go ahead and go back right here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead. You can see the video is being posted right here under 94, 95, 96, 97, 99, 100, and the video has been successfully posted into your TikTok. For you to view the video, go ahead and click on this particular icon right here. Then you have the video right here, 100% posted on your TikTok. So let's play the video. So we can now play the video right here. So you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Share Chinese shopping app right here. I'm going to go ahead and open up my Chinese shopping app. There are so many ways to search for products on Share. One of the first ways to come to the top right here. Type the name of the product you are looking for, and you are going to see similar results. Alternatively, click on this camera icon right here. It's that simple. So this is how to post video on your TikTok page. For more useful tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.